Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to custom header in Excel. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. By inserting a header, you can display the page number, page title, date, or even custom text at the top of your spreadsheets. It's easy to add header in Microsoft Excel. And in this video, I will show you how to do it, how to custom your own header on your Excel document. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Excel. You can open your Excel if you want to add the header. This one for the example. Now you can go to the menu bar, click on Insert, and you'll find there is an option Header and Footer. You can just click on that. If you want to add the header, you can just click on here at header, or you can just click on header. You can choose in here. You want to put your header for page 1, page 1 of, or shoot like this. We'll just add header. Okay, I will like this. So here you go. You have created your own header on your uh, Excel document. If you want to make it bigger, bold, or want to change the font, you can do it like this. So cool, right? You can edit your header anytime you want to. So that is how to custom header on Excel. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.